Welcome to my channel. This is my life wire, and today I'm going to bring you another watch review, unboxing, maybe let's call it that way. Maybe you have seen my old watch review from a few months ago. This one, this is the first watch I purchased from Amazon. This is the brand name is Megalith. It's automatic. So you just wind it up and it will move automatically, or you can also just by naturally wearing it, by the natural movement of your hand, it will just wind up automatically. It's a very nice watch. Since I made this video, the first review video, a lot of people leave comments on my video asking, does it still work? Is it still working in 2019, in September, in October, blah, blah, blah. Yes, it still works. Works fantastically. It's really a great purchase. It cost only 43 euro at the time. Right now, it could be a little bit cheaper even. Very good build quality. I'll say the bracelet, the chain is not the best build quality. It feels a little flimsy, but still, and it holds. To now, I have no issue with it. It's pretty nice, even though it feels a little bit, especially this here. It's not focusing. The closure it feels a little bit flimsy, but still, it's okay. It works, and it doesn't look like it's gonna break anytime soon. So that's good. All right. So what I bought this time just arrived today are two more Megalith watches. Actually, I think all these watches are from the same factory, even in different brand names. Like they are all from China, and maybe different companies just bought these watches from China and from same factory, and they put different brand names because I've seen a same exact model of this watch, but in different brand name, exact same watch. So I suspect that it's either a company, the company is buying from the same factory from China, or it's the same company in China that produced this, but branded in different names and selling Western market. Anyway, these are one of the watches I bought, arrived today. So it is actually a set of two watches. Here, I'm already wearing it. Two watches. There you go. These two are both automatic. Just for the video's sake, I'm gonna take it off so you can see it. Oh my God. All right, so it's a set of two automatic watches. It cost only 33 euros, so that's why I bought this set, because it's cheap. And this time it's not a metal bracelet, it's a leather bracelet, which I like actually. It's pretty nice because it's more softer and lighter, easier to carry. Like metal bracelets, after all, it is rigid. For some people, I don't know, maybe you don't like wearing a metal bracelet when you're doing sport or going outdoors. It can be, like making those noises can be annoying for you. So leather bracelet could be perfect. Oh, focus, dang it. All right, let me try to okay, there you go. I'm focusing on this. This is really nice design. The design really caught my eye. Actually, there are so many beautiful watches on Amazon that are so cheap. I also like some other designs, but those are like quartz movement with a battery. So I didn't go for those because I don't know, like I wouldn't be bothered to go change battery after 1 or 2 years when the battery dies. So I just go for mechanical all the way. So this one is also mechanical. It's a very minimalist design, all black. And here the second hand is in red. It's a very striking color, very beautiful color contrast. That's why I really like this watch. And as you can see, it's also mechanical. You can see that from the back. Also, another advantage of a leather strap is that you can actually open up and see from behind the metal bracelet. You cannot, you can't technically open it, but it's gonna take some time. So you can't demonstrate the back of the case very clearly. Anyway, back to this new watch. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you from this angle. There you go. It's also water resistant, I believe. Let me check. Actually, I didn't pay attention. Let me see. Megalith, black, stainless steel, automatic. It doesn't say that it's water resistant, but I think on the website, on Amazon page, it does say it's water resistant. Anyway, I already took my first shower with the watch. Damn it, focus. I already took my first shower with this watch, so as you can see, it still works. A little design flaw, I would say, maybe, is that you cannot see the part where you wind up, so you don't know what's the progress, like how much you wind up, how much you need to wind it. So that's the one little design issue with this watch. Okay, let's move on to the second one, the other watch that came with it in a set. It's also black with a golden gold tone index, and yeah, and the gear in the back. Everything's gold with black. It's also very nice color combination, gold and black. This one was I didn't really like this design on the website from the Amazon page, but it turned out pretty good. Turned out to be pretty nice looking, better than I expected. I was pretty much buying for the other design, minimalist design, but this one is like a bonus. Very nice. So two watches, only 33 euro in total. Here's the back of the case. Does it say water resistant? I don't think it does, since the other one doesn't. But it's okay. I think it's totally water resistant. Anyway, the leather strap, it is a little bit rigid. So if you are wearing it first time, could be a little bit uncomfortable. But I think as time goes by, you get used to it, or they just get softer. And as always, it's not the best quality. Like the build quality is not the best, especially on the straps. But it's I believe it can last for many years to come. So that let's hope that's true. So. And I'll keep updates on this video as well, just like the other video. I every now and then I just post a comment telling you guys that it's still working. Don't worry, this old watch it's still running in 2019. So yeah, that's the little review here. These two watches, pretty nice. There are so many different brand names. They may just come from the same factory in China, but whatever. Just take a look on Amazon. You may find something very interesting, something very cool for yourself. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description, and you can find the watches you like. And yeah, there are automatic watches. There are also the battery watches. You can find all kind of watches. Very different design, very modern, very interesting design. I say very interesting, very different from a traditional face and dial. All right, that's the review, and thanks for watching. And you can, if you want to support the channel, of course, you can always purchase stuff. Not only watches, you can just click through the link and just search for your own interests. Like if you like to buy a computer, you click through my any link on Amazon link, you can buy your computer, and then I can get a little commission from that. So that's a pretty nice way to support this channel without spending anything yourself, for free. All right, so yeah, there you go. That's the review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.